Hey, what's up? This is Khalid Siddiqui here for After Effects tutorial channel, and now I want to show you how to animate still water in Adobe After Effects. Very easy. Take a look. This is your new composition, and this is the image. Drag and drop to new composition and lock your image. So right click before creating new solid. Take a look. Pre-compose your image. Move all attributes, and right here, right footage. Enter and lock again. Right click, create a new solid, and right here, wave. Enter and go to effects and presets, white fractal, noise. Effect your comp and go to contrast brightness, control the brightness contrast, and set to turbulent, smooth. And there go to transform, turn off uniform scaling, and control like this. So, and now time to animate. How to animate this fractal lines? Hold Alt key, click here, and write time star 500. So, and now play, not that. So, close again, and right click, create another new adjustment layer, and right here, um, this placement map. Double click and go to change displacement map layer to wave and change to this one, effects and mask. Move the wave down here and select adjustment layer. Select this one to luminance. So select this one to luminance. Control and select again adjustment layer. Select the pen tool and mask. Click, create the mask like this. Close. Turn on again and now play. Not bad. Select again adjustment layer and right here motion tile. Double click on motion tile, control the motion tile, move it up. Select the motion tile, move it top of displacement. Control again, turn on the mirror and play again. Not bad. So select the wave, hold Alt key, click here, write again, time star 300. Play now. I need slowly movement of the water. Okay, guys, let's do this on another example. There I have another example. Select, close this one, create another new composition by pressing Ctrl plus N, and right here, final comp, set the preset HD, 5 seconds. Okay. Select the image, drop here, press S, scale up the size, and right click, pre-compose, move all attributes, right footage, and click OK. Mark the footage and right click, create a new solid, right here, wave, OK, and right here, go to window workspace, reset effects, right here, fractal noise. Double click. Don't change fractal type from basic to smooth turbulent. Just select the basic and go to transform, turn off uniform scale, control. Okay, and now hold alt, click here, write Hine star 250. Not too much fast, not too much slow. Play now, great. So, and now move it down and right click, create a new adjustment layer. And right here, displacement map. Double click, change the first one to wave, the second one to effect and mask, luminance and luminance, control. So select adjustment, turn off the layer, select the pen tool, zoom out, one click, second, third, fourth. And now turn on again and go to right motion tile. Right the motion tile, double click and move top of displacement. So turn on the mirror. Play now. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create uh, water animation on image. Have a good time. Good luck, all of you.